For a century, the Klamath River's mighty soul was choked by 4 dams, stripping salmon and shattering Yurok, Karuk, and Klamath tribal heritage. Now, as dawn ignites this rugged land from Crater Lake to coastal mists, the world's largest river restoration in 2024 to 2025 unleashes a rebirth where salmon and spirit flow free. This river, once powering just 2% of the region at a vast ecological cost, now nurtures over 400 species, from coho salmon to misty forests, reclaiming its wild heart. The Klamath story begins with volcanic eruptions 7,700 years ago, shaping its canyons from Crater Lake. Families can explore this origin with a $30 vehicle pass to the park. Born from volcanic fire and cascade snowmelt, the Klamath carved a biodiverse corridor over millennia, its wild waters a tribal lifeline until dams intervened. For decades, Yurok, Karuk, and Klamath tribes fought alongside allies, winning the 2024 dam removal, the largest in United States history, breaking the dam's grip to revive the river. Now, in June 2025, 60 to 100 years of dam-built sediment flush out, jump-starting natural recovery. This early step, led by tribal vision, reshapes the Klamath's flow. Salmon surge back, with 2025 data showing a 20% fish passage boost as wetlands thrive. This revival, rooted in tribal care, welcomes a reborn ecosystem after dam removal. Scientists track the fish's return, while tribal elders bless the waters, uniting science and spirit to safeguard this sacred wind for future generations. Wetlands flourish post-dam, hosting otters and eagles. Paddle with Yurok guides to witness salmon runs, connecting you to this living legacy. Kayak the Klamath's wild rapids or hike its reborn trails with eco-outfitters, linking you to a river alive with tribal heritage and freed waters. Glide on a Yurok-led tour along sunset-lit bends, a cultural journey for $30 to $50 per person. Check yuroktribe.org for 2025 schedules near Klamath. Raft the Klamath's Class 3 and 4 rapids like Ishipishi Falls with stewardship-focused guides, a thrill reborn since the dams fell. Drought and past pollution challenge the Klamath's resilience, with dry stretches under scrutiny. Scientists monitor water quality to heal these fragile waters this summer. Volunteers plant trees in 2025, restoring banks with community spirit. This effort, backed by American Rivers, strengthens the river against erosion, heat stress, and pollution, ensuring a stable future. Sediment flush continues in June 2025, clearing the way for recovery. Kids join restoration workshops, learning to protect this evolving ecosystem. Klamath's tribal flow inspires a legacy of salmon and spirit. This living river, shaped by tribal resilience, needs our care to thrive into the future. Join 2025 tribal cleanups to preserve the Klamath's free flow. Families enjoy free picnics at restored sites, embracing its reborn spirit. Subscribe to Corson's Best for more conservation adventures blending tribal wisdom and wild rivers.